Friends, welcome for users update about Bitcoin and what potentially could be the next. First, pay attention to this important data and to our ideas that we published a few days ago. It is on March 21 about this trend line breakout pattern, and have a look how that trend line breakout pattern played out exactly after and rose by 4.97%. That's the reason, my friends, why I highly recommend you to follow this YouTube channel. At this moment, we should cover what potentially could be the next and exactly trade recommendation for you, my dear. First, what potentially could be the next? I see at this moment important thing that in the middle of this range, someone accumulated and bought a lot of Bitcoins. Price were in a range for 60 days and biggest volume were built in that range and price rose up from it. That means someone were buying a lot of Bitcoins in the middle of this range. And for us, the most important question, where could be potentially good and clear trade idea? And I will show it to you. Also, let's cover a few fundamental data that will help you understand what's going on. First, it is another data that we published in our public Telegram channel about Bitcoin supply hold by short-term holders. By the way, for all of you, I highly recommend you to join our public Telegram channel. Open any video on our YouTube channel and you will find free educational Telegram channel. Just open this link and join. According to this fundamental data, it shows to us that at this moment, short-term holders, people that hold Bitcoin less than 155 days, they called short-term holders. At this moment, their supply dropped and they sold quite a lot of Bitcoins. Why it's good for us? Because when institutionals buy Bitcoin, they buy it much often for a bigger period of time. And when they buy Bitcoin, they quite often withdraw it into cold storage. And we have another proof. It is this fundamental data, balance on exchanges. Have a look. Balance on exchanges prove to us that whales accumulate Bitcoins, because what's the difference between institutionals and retail traders? Retail traders quite often when they buy Bitcoin, they keep it on exchanges and they maximum could withdraw it to MetaMask, something like that. But whales institutionals, they cannot do it because it is big corporate risk and no one wants to hold it. And in most cases, corporate investors, they withdraw Bitcoins into cold storage or MetaMask trusted wallet. It is a minimum. And here we have a proof. We have a proof of two data. First one, it is retailers sell their Bitcoins and whales will absorb it and withdraw it from exchanges. Fundamentally, it is good for Bitcoin because fundamentally it shows to us that Bitcoin has interest and whales has interest into Bitcoin. But remember that fundamental analysis does not work instantly. It doesn't work that it would play out within one day, because sometimes I could be lagging for 3-4 months, something like that. I saw it many times, especially those of you that remember 2018 and this range. You would remember that there was massive lagging, like bull patterns appears and price rose only within 3 months. At this moment, still, I think Bitcoin locally looks really beautiful and we can take long, and people in our community did it. And at this moment, what could be potentially another trade idea for us? Friends, before I share with you clear trade idea, I ask you to push like, subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the bell, because you will get notification about future videos. I publish only important videos that will help you make money. And I'm not sponsored by any exchange, any broker, only by you. Thank you. What could be clear trade ideas? Let's build again this important indicator. First, what I think, any retest to this area should be, for example, retest to this area should be taken along, because I think people that buy Bitcoins, they will support their positions. At this moment, what could be potentially the best trade ideas? Have a look on daily chart. Daily chart sadly built really a weak pattern. Have a look. It's really sad that daily chart close below both candles, below both local levels. That means that there potentially could be stop loss hunt and after that rise. Honestly, I think if there would be stop loss hunt, it would be best opportunity to open a trade. Why it's so important for us, such stop loss hunt? Because whales knows that a lot of retailers bought bitcoins, and they know that people that bought bitcoins, especially in these areas, they hide their stop losses in this area, and that's the reason why I think if stop loss hunt happens, that could be best place to open long entry for all of us, because stop losses in that time would be small and potential reward would be in many times bigger. That means, my friends, once more, if Bitcoin creates such fake out, volume increase during that, we can take long trade with stop losses and big take profits. Once more, my friends, I have a deal with you. If this video gets 300 likes, I will publish that update for you. At this moment, what you should do, what we should do. First, we should set alert. Have a look. I delete alert, and on TradingView, I just set alert. And if price reach this area, I will get notification, and I will have time to prepare for a long trade after a trap. It would be the best idea. What else? At this moment, I highly recommend you to watch this video lesson about false breakout. It will help you trade it by yourself and learn this strategy. Link here. Watch. Thank you.